The LG V20 SFR, and today I'm going to be the Nokia 2720V flip phone wireless. So this is a flip phone for the wireless that's available now for $333 a month for 24 months with no nominal for a retail price. So this is a flip phone, of course. It's available in chocolate box, for the gigabytes of storage there. So this is the basic phone, of course. Yeah. So that's the phone there in front of you, and then I said the phone there, it being present, I said the secondary display on the front there, with your time and stuff. The key logo, two-tone color finish on the front. There's also, I think that's your camera button or something, I'm not sure what button that is. I don't think this thing has a button with the camera thing on it. So that might be your power button. These are the button keys on the right side of the phone. You know, it does have camera. Camera's in the back. So that's what it being forked. So you also have camera on the back, Verizon logo in the speaker on the back and front now. Or investing the power button is where the N key is investing. Just back over the phone up there, that's how the camera, the microphone and the speaker and the Verizon logo. Make sure that this is probably camera flash. There it is, it being opened. So you guys have your number pad there and stuff like that. Yeah, I think your power button's right here. I think so. Yeah. So that might be your camera button right there, and then your button keys on the right side of the phone, and your power button will be just in key right here inside the phone. So yeah, there's the that's how we camera button. So pretty nice. There it is, being closed. And button keys are on the right side of the phone. That's the last side. You have a headphone jack. Man, this is J25 headphone jack. I think J25. I think. There it is, it being opened. There's the last side of it being So yeah. So the Nokia 2724 has 26 days standby time, 5.56 hours usage time, and 2 more percent camera with flash. It doesn't go flash as it launch. All the pictures the pictures I'm not going to be reviewed. So I didn't expect all great pictures from the sun, so I don't expect it. So it says with the Nokia 2720 flip, the classic flip phone on this model with Google Assistant and the ability to download your favorite apps. This easy to use phone has 4 features that offer added peace of mind: a keypad with large buttons, interior and exterior displays, an emergency contact button. Okay, what the fuck? Hold up. And more make this a simple, reliable companion. Stay connected with loved ones with lightning fast 4G LTE Wi-Fi, and never worry about battery life. Never worry about battery with up to 26 days of standby time. All the essentials and a few extras you're going to love. Do more with the Nokia 2720V flip and Verizon, the network more people rely on. So you do have so apparently the camera on the left side is, that button on the left side of the phone is your emergency contact button, so it's pretty interesting. I thought it was a camera button, I thought it was, but apparently it's not. So I've been going on a few things in this video so far. I thought the button on the left was a power button, that's what I thought it was at first. Then I thought it was a camera button, but no, it's actually your emergency contact button on the phone. So pretty nice feature to have. Says a feature packed footprint. This easy to use compact footprint has all the features you will come to expect in a smartphone. Stay connected with friends and family when you download social apps like Facebook and or send free text and voice messages with the popular WhatsApp. Just ask Google. Google Assistant lets you check the weather forecast, and manage messages. Yeah. Google Assistant lets you check the weather forecast, send messages, and make calls with simple voice commands. Get more done hands-free with Google Assistant. Worry-free connectivity. The power for LTE lets you search, stream, and swipe faster. And when you want to browse on a laptop or tablet, the internet sharing features lets you create a Wi-Fi connection wherever you go. So this does have hotspot capabilities, so it's very nice. Simple to use. Screen calls on the 1.3-inch external display or hold it open to the 2.8-inch LCD for bright, easy to read text. The keypad has large tactile buttons for simple navigation and with the enhanced usability features like increased standard alert volume and larger font size, you can rest assured that you won't miss another alert or message. It's very nice. Peace of mind in the palm of your hand. Nokia 2720V will send an SMS to up to 5 contacts with a long press or quick double tap of the emergency button. And in case of emergency, menu holds all your essential information like date of birth, insurance, info, emergency contact, allergies, and more. So that's pretty cool there. Especially here, this is a footprint thing that you guys do get some features in here. I don't know if it's on reviews. Let's try that again. There we go. So it does have okay. So with it being open, the Nokia 2720V Fold is 2.15 inches height, 7. No, wait. With it being open, it's 2.15 inches width, 7.59 inches height, 0.46 inches depth. With the phone being closed, that will bring it to 2.15 inches width, 4.13 inches height, and 0.74 inches depth. The Nokia 2720 weighs 4.16 ounces, so not too bad. So standby time 26 days. Usage time 5.56 hours. 2 megapixel camera flash, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 megabytes of RAM. Google Assistant Wi-Fi 4G, Bluetooth 4.1, iOS 2.5.4. So that's the OS that this one has, iOS. Which will let you have a Google Assistant, Facebook, YouTube, stuff like that. Qualcomm front building. Qualcomm 8099 processor up to 1500 mAh battery, which is removable. 2.8 inch internal display, which is LCD, and a 1.3 inch external display, which is LCD. You do get micro USB 2.8 for charging, so it is what it is. So what comes in the box is a Nokia 2720 for smartphone, micro USB charger, USB cable, which is micro USB, and a quick start gas. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Nokia 2720. We focus now here at Verizon Wireless. It's available now for $333 a month for 24 months. It was $99.99 for retail price, which I suggest you guys don't pay for. I suggest you guys don't pay monthly for this one because the reason to this one's $80. So there are some good things about this one. Of course, you guys are able to pick it up. Backup phone or whatever. This one has Google apps and like Google Assistant, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and stuff like that. So you do get some smart features in here, so that's pretty cool. So you guys have it. The Nokia 2720 will be for the Verizon Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up if you guys able to help me out. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.